Alright, today I will explain about how to solder for this kit. What we have here, we have a soldering station, the solder tip here, cutter, solder tin, diode, regular capacitor, two connectors. Here the kit is for transformer kit, and we start to mount the component first. Normally we start with a flat component, so this is the flat component we have. The diode that's the line here is the cathode, the other side is anode, so we just put on the board. Alright, put a little bit flat, bend a little bit to make sure it's not moving. So we heat up the temperature up to 200 Celsius. And the solder aside, and just put a little bit angle and heat it up the pad. So a proper solder, you can see it's shiny, and it's a proper soldering. If the temperature is not too hot, we call it a cold solder, so it's not very proper joint. Connect the second one. Look, that is shiny, so it's a proper solder. And we cut it off, make sure it's short enough. If too long, it can breach to the other circuit, it can create a short circuit, so that's a proper soldering. I continue to the rest of the component. Sometimes it's too many solder, you need to wipe it up, so you can start again, so you can clean up the tip. Make sure it's not too much of the solder. Alright, we're done for the diode. Check again the quality. It's good, all shiny. Cut it off. Alright, diode done. The solder, all shiny, it's good quality. Next is a capacitor. It's a positive capacitor. You can tell here, see that negative, the other side is positive. You can tell from the length. So positive normally longer than the negative. Alright, you can check the polarity inside. That's positive. So, bend a little bit to make sure it's not moving. Yep. Cut it off. Another one. Is it positive? Is it positive here? Make sure it's all the way down. See, flat. Quality is good. Alright, that's all capacitor done. 2 capacitor. Positive. And positive. Next is the connector. There's 2 connectors here. One is for the power, that's for the power jack. Just plug it in. Fit proper. So fill all the way, all the pad. So make sure it's filled. Not too much solder, but enough. Yep, last one, the output. So that connector, make sure on the other side, the outside. If inside you can't put the cable in or the component. Alright, that's it. All the component in and soldering. All shiny, so it's a good quality. That's it.